as Priya mentioned, that I was there as a journalist last year. I remember sitting in that corner and I wasn't knowing कि एक साल के अंदर मैं वहाँ से यहाँ भी आ जाऊँगी. So thank you to Dr. Rajendra Gupta. Uh, Last year, I was doing well. I was working with a well-renowned magazine as a principal correspondent for healthcare. And I was on an assignment, and I had gone to Jaipur to cover a story, and it was a 3-day trip. While I came back, I had some kind of sensation in this area of my head, and slowly it was going down towards till my toe. एंड आई थॉट कि टाइम पे खाना नहीं खाया, सोए नहीं, बैक टू बैक काम कर रहे थे, तो उस वजह से कुछ हो गया होगा. आई इग्नोर्ड इट कम्प्लीटली. देन वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आई आस्क्ड फॉर वर्क फ्रॉम होम फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड आई सेड आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, आई नीड अ बिट ऑफ रेस्ट. थोड़ा सा स्टोरी में लास्ट मिनट चेंजेस हैं वो मैं करके भेज दूँगी. एंड I was writing, and suddenly I get a call from my editor saying, you have to do an interview on Zoom. This person was a doctor from Israel, and I said, okay, I will first finish my work, and then I'll do this thing. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I started that interview, and again I had this pain, and suddenly I was not able to move my hand. I was supposed to take the notes, and I was not able to move this hand properly. And this was clearly seen on my face. And the doctor on the other side, she asked, are you all right? I said, I don't know. I might have to end this interview. I can't, I'm not feeling well. I'm so sorry. And she said, what is happening? And I was not able to tell her. My speech was getting affected. I was not able to speak. And suddenly, I fainted. That's what I remember. The last thing was this. I don't know. I still don't know वो laptop किसने बंद किया घर पे. The second thing I remember is my brother was sitting next to me and my mother was doing something and I was telling her I'm not able to move my hand. Please कुछ करो. And she said we'll go to a doctor. I said I'm so tired. I won't. And then I was not able to think of anything. She just gave me a massage and I went to sleep. And the other day, I thought, what should I do? What is this? How do I know what is happening to me? Then, being a healthcare journalist, I thought of speaking to some of the doctors I have met. I have met a lot of doctors in the from the public healthcare system when I used to go to various hospitals for stories. So I called one of the doctors and I said, sir, aisa symptoms hai? And he said, you go and visit a neurologist. And I thought itna severe nahi hoga. Maybe I should speak to 2-3 more people. Then Rajendra sir, the organizer of this event, I called him. I said, sir, aisa hai. So उन्होंने भी कहा कि you go and visit a neurologist. And after speaking to 5 people only, I went to a neurologist close to my home. वहाँ पे एक hospital है. और वहाँ पे जाने के बाद जब मैंने उनको अपने symptoms बताए तो उन्होंने कहा कि maybe you had a stroke. And my instant reaction was, how old I am? Why would I have a stroke? And since my childhood days, I have been a very healthy person. My father is a yoga enthusiast for the past 20 years, and वो हम लोगों को he has trained us well. So then the doctor asked me, what do you do? Tell me about your daily routine. And I said, I'm a journalist by profession. I have to do all these things. And ऐसा routine खराब कई बार हो जाता है. Time पे खाना या सोना. And then he said कि you better do one thing. You take a desk job for some time. You should not be doing all these things. And you go for an MRI. I said, okay, I'll go down. I'll get an MRI done. And I was all alone. Nobody was with me. I hadn't mentioned this to anybody. I was जो भी इस process में बस सामने साथ आ रहा था उससे मैंने बात करके I was just going. And MRI में the cost of the MRI was again a jolt for me. I could not afford it. I went back to the doctor. I said, sir, it's very costly. I can't get it done. Can you help me with something? ही सेड नहीं, आपने गलत सुना होगा, इतना नहीं है अमाउंट यू हैव। मैंने बोला सर मैं 3 जगह पता करके आई हूँ और ये जो अमाउंट है आई कांट अफोर्ड इट। देन ही सेड ठीक है, I'll do something. I said, no, sir, I'll figure it out. And then again, the process was so troublesome. I was calling one after the other people कि कहीं पे affordable MRI मिल जाए. But it wasn't. But after a time, I got it. कहीं पे जा करके I got it done. And again, reports लेके डॉक्टर के पास जाना था. तो it was a simple case of migraine, nothing else. Now the doctor was telling me there are these types of migraines, but I wasn't ready to listen what migraine is this and why. I thought थोड़ा से changes lifestyle में करना होगा and I'll be fine. And he gave me बहुत सारा medicines I was given, and being a pharma journalist यहाँ पर नीचे we have Express Healthcare and Express Pharma. I had the opportunity to work for both the organizations for 4 years. So I've covered pharma, and वो pharma cover करते करते schedule H drugs, schedule G drugs, you don't take these medicines, and that trust factor is something that is missing, I believe. जब treatment लेना था तब भी, जब medicines लेना था तब भी. And I left the treatment in the middle of this thing. I never went back to the doctor. In the meantime, I thought I'll go to other places, maybe other hospitals. But जो जॉब का डिमांड है 9 to 5 वाले लोग हम नहीं जा सकते। हम सोचते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल चले जाएं, वहाँ की लाइंस हमें डराती हैं, या प्राइवेट में जाना है तो वहाँ का कॉस्ट हमें डराता है। सो अभी ऐसे ही चल रहा है। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग विद मी। अभी भी आई गेट द पेन, बट आई डू योगा, आई गो फॉर एक्सरसाइजेज समटाइम्स, नॉट एवरी डे, बट समवेयर आई फील आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीट फेथ इन माई हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम। जो लोग सिस्टम में हैं, कई बार पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में हम उनसे भी बात करते हैं तो दे से कि मैम आ तो गया है बट हमें पता नहीं है कि इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करना है, हम आपको क्या बताएं। तो फिर अगर हमें नहीं पता चलेगा तो व्हाट विल वी रिपोर्ट एंड हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू सेव आवरसेल्व्स। एंड हेल्थ केयर इज़ समथिंग दैट नीड्स वेरी वेरी अर्जेंट अटेंशन, बिकॉज और इसके पीछे बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं। हम वी आर द यूथ ऑफ द कंट्री, और करंट सिनेरियो में यूथ जो है बहुत सारी बीमारियों से ग्रस्त है, थायराइड, कार्डियक अरेस्ट, माइग्रेन्स। ये वी नीड टू फिगर आउट ए सोल्यूशन जहाँ पर बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स को ध्यान में रखा जाए, और एक अच्छा हेल्दी यूथ ही एक अच्छा हेल्दी नेशन बना सकता है। दैट्स द ड्रीम ऑफ द पीएम। सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द यूथ, mental health, all these things, but maybe we need a segregation, a classification, then we can go forward. Thank you. That's my suggestion.